Imagine looking at a world map and seeing 7 giant landmasses that shape everything we know about people, culture, history, and nature. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, or Oceania, and Antarctica. These continents aren't just random pieces of land, they are the chapters of Earth's story, each with a personality of its own. Asia is the largest, home to more than half of the world's entire population. Africa is the birthplace of humankind and the most biologically diverse continent on land. Europe has influenced global culture, science, and politics for centuries. North America blends modern cities, powerful economies, and vast natural landscapes. South America bursts with rainforests, ancient civilizations, and incredible biodiversity. Australia and the Pacific Islands are filled with wildlife found nowhere else on Earth. And Antarctica, frozen and mysterious, holds secrets about our climate, oceans, and the planet's past and future. These 7 continents contain nearly every climate zone on Earth, from the freezing deserts of Antarctica to the humid tropics of the Amazon, from the scorching Sahara to the temperate forests of Europe and Asia. They host thousands of cultures, over 8,000 languages, and millions of plant and animal species. They also carry the scars and signatures of tectonic forces, mountains rising, plates colliding, volcanoes forming, evidence that Earth's surface is constantly changing. Studying the continents helps us understand why life is the way it is today. The languages we speak, the food we eat, the stories we tell, and even how nations formed are all shaped by geography. Continents explain why kangaroos exist in Australia, but not in Africa, why Asia became the birthplace of so many ancient civilizations, and why South America's Amazon rainforest affects weather patterns across the globe. Here's a fascinating fact. Even though we live on 7 continents today, hundreds of millions of years ago these lands were joined together as one supercontinent called Pangaea. That ancient connection explains why Africa and South America share similar fossils, or why mountain ranges in North America connect with ones in Europe. And here's something mind-blowing. The continents are still moving. Right now, Africa is slowly drifting toward Europe, Australia is moving north toward Asia, and the Atlantic Ocean is getting wider every year. Even modern life reflects the diversity and influence of the continents. Your smartphone contains minerals from Africa, K-pop, anime, and Bollywood. Now global sensations come from Asia. The world's biggest tech companies began in North America. Soccer legends and carnival celebrations explode from South America. Classical art, fashion, and philosophy trace their roots to Europe. Australia gives us unique animals like koalas and global icons like the Great Barrier Reef. And Antarctica, though uninhabited by permanent populations, is a scientific frontier that shapes weather and sea levels worldwide. Here are more fun facts people rarely hear. Africa is the only continent crossed by the equator, the Tropic of Cancer, and the Tropic of Capricorn. Europe is technically attached to Asia, and the division between them is more cultural than geological. Antarctica is the driest, windiest and highest continent, and it has volcanoes under its ice. South America contains 12% of all Earth's freshwater. Australia is the flattest continent, yet home to some of the world's oldest landscapes. North America has the largest freshwater lake by area, Lake Superior. Asia has the highest point on Earth, Mount Everest, and the deepest point on land, the Dead Sea Shore. Every continent has a distinct identity, but all 7 are woven together through trade, migration, climate, oceans, technology, and modern culture. When you look at a world map, you're not just seeing shapes of land, you're seeing the story of human history, biodiversity, and the powerful forces that shaped Earth over millions of years. The 7 continents remind us that although we live in different places, we all share the same planet. Understanding them helps us appreciate our world, protect it, and recognize how connected we really are.